Welcome back to another video. In this video I'm filming my Polar Express train setup underneath my Christmas tree. And I doubt that you can hear me. Cass, can you slow down? There we go. Now you guys can hear me, I hope. This is a video of my Polar Express train, so yeah. Looks like they're really close. Let's go now for another smoke here. Oh, and it lets out smoke too, as you can probably see. You can see that it lets out smoke, which is pretty cool. And so it's still smoking. That engine is still smoking, as you can see. If the iPad will focus, darn it.
All aboard! This is the Polar Express.
Come on, or yeah, I'll get a better picture from like this. And yeah, as it goes faster, more smoke is released. I bet I'll get a nice flow picture. We just had a collision. The track keeps popping up. See it? Yeah. The track keeps popping up. Did you see it pop up? Yeah. It's weird. Yeah, slow it down. So whenever it goes by, the track pops up, as you can see just now. But yeah, it's my cute little train. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.